Good morning, student. Today we are taking an important topic. It is isomerism in coordination compound. So in this class we will discuss about the types of isomerism and important example of isomerism generally asked in the board exam. Okay, so let's start with the word isomerism. So what is the meaning of isomerism? Okay, so first of all we will discuss isomerism. Isomerism means what? Isomerism means what? Compound or coordination compound. Coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in their structure. Coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in their structure. These are called coordination isomer. Structure called coordination isomer and phenomenon is known as isomerism. So this is the perfect definition of the isomerism. Okay, then we are taking the types of isomerism. So there are two type of coordination isomer. One is stereoisomer. Stereoisomer, and second one is structural isomer or structural isomerism, or we can say stereoisomerism. So first of all we are discussing structural isomerism. In the structural isomerism we can divide structural isomerism in the linkage isomerism, second one is called hydrate isomerism, or we can say solvate isomerism. Next one is ionization isomerism, and next coordination isomerism. So linkage isomerism, hydrate isomerism, ionization isomerism, and coordination isomerism. So these are the main or important structural isomer. So first of all we are giving the definition of linkage isomerism. What is linkage isomerism? So this part would be same: coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in. So we are to write differ in what? Name indicate linkage. Linkage means the bond between the central metal atom and ligand atom. So they are differ in the ligand atom bonded with central metal atom. Okay, so this is linkage isomerism. So how we can define is we can easily define coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in, what is the difference? Differ in the ligand atom bonded with the central metal atom. Okay, so linkage isomerism, there are specific ligand CN-NC. This is the pair. So it will indicate or it will exhibit the linkage isomerism. Okay, CNS and SCN, this is also a pair which will indicate the linkage isomerism. And second one is, it is NO2 and ONO. So these are the pair by which we can indicate, or we can form the examples of linkage isomerism. Suppose we are taking these pair, and how we can give the example, we can form the example. So suppose we are taking central metal atom cobalt, okay, and cobalt is the central metal atom, and next we are taking NH3. These are the ligand we can write here, okay. So NH3, suppose we are taking 4, and Cl and NO2. So this is a complex compound, okay. And another example, CO NH3 4 ClONO. So what we have changed in this complex? So just we are to write NO2 and ONO, and we will get the isomer, or we can say we will get the examples of linkage isomerism. So these are the linkage isomerism. Next one, we are taking hydrate isomerism, okay. Hydrate means water, okay. So what is the difference? What is the difference? We can say coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in the number of water molecule act as ligand. Simple. So what is the difference? Differ in the water molecule act as ligand. These are called hydrate isomers. For example, if we are taking CO NH3, suppose we are taking 3 Cl3 and dot 3H2O, and second one CO NH3 3 H2O3 and Cl we are pushing outside, Cl3. So in this case we can say water molecules, here water molecule does not act as a ligand. These are just in the form of hydrated water, and in this case water molecule act as ligand. So in this case 3 molecules act as a ligands, and here 3 molecules will not act as a ligand. So therefore these are the hydrate isomer, okay. Next we are taking ionization isomer. As name indicate, coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ. What is the difference? Differ in their ionization. They will give different ion, okay. So we can say differ in their ionization, okay. So how we can write the example? Suppose we are taking CO NH3 5 Cl and Br. So this is an example, okay. And second one CO NH3 5, and we are just exchanging Br to Cl or Cl to Br. So in the coordination entity, Br would be in the coordination entity and Cl would be the outside this coordination entity. So in this case we can say that these molecules will give the test for Br and these molecules will give the test for Cl, because these are the primary valency and these valency get ionized in the water. So these molecules will give test for Br and these molecules give test for Cl. Therefore these are ionization isomer, and we can form many examples like this. Just we have to change the anion and we get the different example, okay. Next we are having coordination isomerism. So what is coordination isomerism? Okay, so as name indicate, coordination compound having same molecular formula, but what is the difference? Difference in the coordination entity. So these isomer have differ in their coordination entity. They are differ in their coordination entity. For example, if we are taking example, then CO NH3 6 CrCl6, and just we are to exchange the central metal atom. So just we are Cr would be here and Co would be here, then we get example Cr NH3 6 and CuCl6. So in this case these are the coordination entity, two coordination entity, and they have different ligand, therefore it is coordination isomer. So this is all about structural isomer. I think you are getting my point and you have understood it, that what type of structural isomerism and how we can define and how we can write the different examples of this coordination isomerism. Okay, next isomerism we are taking stereoisomer. So what is the definition first? So we can say coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in what? Stereo means space, that means different arrangement of atom in space. So we can say coordination isomer having same molecular formula but differ in the arrangement of atom in space. Okay, for example, sir, there are two type of stereoisomerism. First one, it is called geometrical isomerism, and second one is called optical isomerism. So there are two type of isomerism, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. First of all, we are taking geometrical isomerism. So what is geometrical isomerism? First of all, geometrical isomerism. How we can define the geometrical isomerism? Coordination compound having same molecular formula but differ in the geometrical arrangement of atom in space. Differ in the, what is the difference? Differ in the geometrical arrangement of atom in space. So this is the definition of geometrical isomerism. And geometrical isomer are two type. These are called cis isomer and trans isomer. Next, we are taking the example of geometrical isomerism. What are the example? For example, if we are taking CO NH3 4Cl2, this is the molecules, and we are to prepare or we are to draw the geometrical isomer of this molecule. So how we can draw? Because 4 and 2 cobalt contains 6 ligand, so it will arrange octahedrally like this. Octahedral arrangement would be there, and whenever Cl and Cl are at the same side or same face, then it is called cis isomer. Cis means same side. So here we can see Cl are in same side, so it is called cis isomer. And when we are to prepare trans isomer of this molecule, then we can easily form oppositely arranged Cl, then we get trans isomer. So in this case, this molecule would be as a trans isomer. So this is cis isomer of this molecule, this is trans isomer of this molecule. I think you can understand it, cis and trans. So next case, we are taking the geometrical isomer in the different geometry, maybe tetrahedral, maybe octahedral, maybe square planar. So these are the geometry in which geometrical isomer can be possible. So first of all, we are taking tetrahedral. tetrahedral geometry. And tetrahedral geometry would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and both the bonds, all the bonds are at the bond angle 109.28. So these are the position in the tetrahedral position, and in tetrahedral position these positions are equivalent to each other because they have same bond angle. So equivalent position, equivalent position with respect of each other. Okay, therefore in tetrahedral complex no geometrical isomerism because all the positions are equivalent. Next, number 2, we are taking geometrical isomerism in square planar complex. So here we can prepare the geometrical isomer. For example, generally the complex of PT and nickel and PT generally they are, and PD, they are generally square planar complex. They generally form square planar complex. So first of all we are taking the complex of the nickel. Suppose if we are taking Ni NH3,2Cl. Okay, so Cl2. So in this case it is a square planar complex, and these molecules can be given as metal A2B2, Ma2B2. Okay, so we can draw the geometrical isomer of this NH3, Cl and Cl. This is cis isomer, and when we are to prepare trans isomer, then we are to arrange Cl oppositely. Okay, so Cl and Cl and NH3 and NH3 like this. Okay, so we get trans isomer and cis isomer. This is trans and this is cis isomer. I think you can understand it. And generally one question asked in the competitive exam, that these molecules exhibit which type of isomerism? Ma2B2. So Ma2B2 will exhibit only geometrical isomerism. Geometrical, not optical. It is not possible that it will exhibit optical isomerism, so it will exhibit only geometrical isomerism. We are taking the another example of geometrical isomer of the other complex. For example, if we are taking PT NH3,2Cl2, and this is an example, very important compound. Okay, so it will have two geometrical isomer like this, platinum and Cl and Cl and NH3 and NH3. This is cisplatin. The complex is called cisplatin and used in cancer treatment. It is used for the chemotherapy, for the cancer treatment. Okay, and this complex would be like this, NH3 and NH3 and Cl and Cl. This is the trans form of this molecules. So there are two isomers, cisplatin or transplatin. Transplatin is, there is no use, but cisplatin, it is very important compound in the cancer treatment. Okay, so these are the geometrical isomer of square complex. Okay, many other examples can be taken. Okay, for example, many other examples of geometrical isomerism can be taken. For example, if we are taking PD, okay, NH3,2Cl2. Okay, this is suppose an example if we are taking. So we can easily draw for this complex PD, Cl, Cl, NH3 and NH3. So this is cis, and if we are prepare trans, then PD, NH3, NH3, Cl and Cl. This is the trans form of the isomer. So these are the isomer of square planar complex. Then we are moving towards the octahedral complex. Okay, we are moving towards the octahedral complex. Okay, so we are discussing about the coordination isomerism or geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex. Okay, so for the octahedral complex, if we are taking metal A6, it will not exhibit any coordination isomer because all the ligands are same. Okay, metal A5B, it will also not exhibit any coordination compound, or we can say geometrical isomer of octahedral complex. Next we are taking Ma4B2, this will exhibit the cis and trans isomerism in the coordination compound. For example, if we are taking CO NH3 4 Cl2, here these are the ligand A indicate and Cl indicate B. So in this case we can draw the geometrical isomer of this complex like this: CO Cl Cl NH3 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 and NH3. So it would be the cis form of this geometrical isomer. Okay, understand? Okay, next we are taking the example of CO and we are preparing transform. So in this case we are to arrange Cl oppositely and then NH3 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 and NH3. So these are the geometrical isomer of these molecules. Okay, next molecules we are taking, suppose if we are taking Ma3B3. So is it geometrical isomer can be possible for this molecule? Yes. These molecules contain two type of isomerism and we will discuss what type of isomerism is possible in these molecules. Okay, we are taking Ma3B3 molecules. So for example, CO NH3 we are taking. So in this case cis and trans isomer cannot be possible, but the other name is given for these isomer. For example, CO. Okay, and we are taking NH3 Cl and Cl. We can see in this case NH3 and Cl, these are the case. Okay, so in this case NH3 are at the same phase, NH3 are at the same phase and Cl like this is okay. So these are the phase, so same phase, therefore these molecules are called phase isomer. And second one is like this. Okay, so we are to arrange NH3 Cl, then we are to take one molecule of NH3, then the phase would be disturbed of these molecules. Okay, and Cl and NH3. So in this case all the ligands are not at the same phase, same ligands are not at the same phase, so therefore these are called meridional isomer or MER isomer. So these are the isomer of Ma3B3 molecules. These are the same phase, so it is called phase isomer, and these are the ligands are present at the meridional or meridian, therefore these are called the MER isomer. So these are the isomerism in the octahedral compounds. Okay, next we are taking the other complex. Next we are taking geometrical isomer of the octahedral complex in the other complex. Okay, next we are taking geometrical isomer of octahedral complex containing didentate ligand. For example, if we are taking COEN2Cl2, so in this case En is a didentate ligand. So therefore, how we can draw cis and trans isomer for this molecule? For example, if we are taking CO, this is CO, and we are to write Cl at the same face, and it is En and it is En. So we can say it is a cis isomer. And how we can prepare the trans isomer for this molecule? Trans isomer we can easily prepared by like this. Okay, Cl would be at the opposite and En would be at this. So in this case, these are the octahedral complex and they have didentate ligands, and we can draw the geometrical isomer of these molecules like this. So if we didentate ligands may be changed, but we have to draw the geometrical isomer is like this. Okay. Okay student, next topic we are taking stereoisomerism, or we can say optical isomerism. Second part of the stereoisomerism, it is optical isomerism. Okay, optical means what? Optical means होता है, optical means light. Okay, whenever the molecules or complex molecule rotate the plane polarized light. Okay, let's explain the plane polarized light. What is the plane polarized light? You can see the light. Okay, so you can see the rays originated in all direction. In a illuminating object, maybe sun, maybe bulb, electric bulb, you can see that that rays of the light will originate in all direction. Whenever these rays pass through a specific type of prism, it is called Nicol prism. Nicol prism. And what is the Nicol prism? It's just like two prism of the glass, and they are stick with the glue that is called Canada balsam. Canada balsam is the gum which is used for sticking these glass prism. Okay, whenever this light is allowed to pass through the Nicol prism, then the lights become parallel. Light rays become parallel. This is called PPL, plane polarized light. And when this light is allowed to pass through the molecule solution or molecular solution, then what happen? Maybe this light may rotate, and the rotation of the plane polarized light is generally detected by polarimeter. Okay, so polarimeter is used for this purpose. Okay, so if we are taking how to draw the optical isomer of the complex, for example, if we are taking CONH3,4Cl2, this is the complex we are taking, and this will exhibit optical isomer or not. Okay, so we have to draw like this. This is the molecule. So these molecules can exist in two form, maybe cis form, maybe trans form. Earlier we have discussed. Okay, so NH3, suppose if we are preparing cis form of this molecule, so this is the cis form of this molecule CO, and whenever we are putting a mirror, this is mirror in front of this molecule, then the image of these molecules would be like this. Cl would be at this place and NH3 the place of NH3 will not change, but these NH3 would be reflected at this place, like this. Okay, so these are the two optical isomer, and these are the non superimposable mirror image, non superimposable mirror image of these molecules. Okay, so whenever these molecules we are taking and we are try to superimpose on this molecule, then this molecule will not able to superimpose on this molecule. Why? Because Cl would be at upper side of NH3 and Cl would be the upper side of NH3, so same atoms are not there, therefore these molecules will not superimpose on each other, therefore these are the optical isomer. If we are taking trans isomer of this molecule like this, suppose if we are taking trans isomer Cl and Cl, cobalt and NH3, 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 NH3. Okay, so trans isomer if we are taking, then we can get the image like this. Okay, Cl, Cl, NH3, NH3, NH3 and NH3. By taking these molecules and we are try to superimpose this molecule on this molecule, then what happen? NH3 would be at upper side of this NH3, NH3 would be upper side of this NH3, and this NH3 would be the lower side of this NH3, and NH3 would be the upper side of NH3, and Cl would be the Cl, and Cl would be the upper side of Cl. That means these molecules totally 100% superimpose on this molecule. So these are the non-superimposable mirror image. These are not the non-superimposable mirror image of each other, therefore transform does not exhibit optical isomerism. Okay, so one time CBSE asked how many total stereoisomers can be possible for this molecule. So total would be 3 isomer, one is there, one is there, and one is this trans isomer. So these 3 isomers are possible for these molecules. Okay, so I think you have understood this topic, optical isomerism. So for different molecules we can draw the optical isomerism. Generally board asks draw the geometrical isomerism, draw the optical isomerism of the following molecules. Okay, next isomer or next molecules we are taking for optical isomerism and generally asked in our exam, it is COEN2Cl2. So draw the optical isomer of these molecules. We can easily draw the geometrical isomer like this. So here Cl is here, Cl is here, and En molecules and En molecules. So this would be the cis isomer, and we know that trans isomer does not have any optical isomer. So this molecule also will have total three stereoisomer. Okay, so when we putting a mirror, then what happen? We get the mirror image like this, Cl, Cl, Co. Okay, or En would be the it this place, and En this would be the just opposite. Okay, so this is the mirror image, and we can say these are the non superimposable mirror image. Okay, so these are the isomer, and one stereoisomer would be the trans isomer, Cl and Cl and En and En, and these molecules would not give any mirror image because mirror image would be superimposed on each other, therefore it will not give any optical isomer. So total 3 optical isomer can be possible for this molecule. Next we are moving to the important questions of the geometrical isomerism generally asked in our CBSE or board exams. So first of all, generally they are asked questions like this: explain the following with the examples. So earlier we have discussed already in the topic linkage isomer, that means geometrical isomer, or we can say coordination compound have same molecular formula but differ in the linkage of ligand atom with the central metal atom. And we have prepared the pair CN NC like this, okay, NCS CNS, so this is the pair, NO2 and ONO, this is the pair. So by taking these ligands we can prepare linkage isomerism or isomer. Okay, coordination isomer, complex compound having same molecular formula but differ in their coordination entities, and we have taken example CO NS3 4, okay, sorry 6, and CR CL6, and CO, sorry CR, and we can take CNH3 6 and COCl6. So like this we can prepare the example, just we are to exchange the metal, central metal atom of the coordination entities. Next, ionization isomer, we have earlier discussed that complex compound having same molecular formula but differ in their ionization. For example, if we are taking NH3 5Cl and Br, and second one is CO NH3 5Br and Cl like this. Okay, hydrate isomerism, complex compound having same molecular formula but hydrate means water molecules, complex compound having same molecular formula but differ in the water molecule act as ligand. For example, CO NH3 3 H2O 3, okay, or then Cl3. Okay, the next example CO NH3 3 Cl3, okay, and H2O 3H2O dot. So in this case water molecule act as in the form of hydrate form, and in this case water molecule act as ligand. So this is an example of hydrate isomerism. Then next we are moving, draw the structure of the cis isomer of these molecules. We have already drawn, okay, so in this case we can easily draw CO, then NH3, and cis form we are to prepare, then Cl would be the same side, at the same side. So NH3 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 like this, so it would be the cis isomer of this molecule. Draw the cis and trans isomer of the this molecule Ni glycinato, ligand is GLY, glycinato, and this is an example for you. Just draw cis and trans isomer of this molecule. So you are to draw itself yourself and try it. Okay, next draw the geometrical isomerism of COEN2Cl2, and easily we can prepare cis and trans isomer of this molecule COEN. So we are to try EN, then Cl, then Cl, this is cis, and trans isomer we can prepare easily CO, this is trans isomer En and En like this. Okay, so these are the important questions of the coordination isomerism. Okay, that's all for the today's class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.